Today we are showcasing a variety of products ranging from superhero gadgets to fishing tools. So let's get started. The first item on our list today is rocket fishing rod. If you love fishing, this product is just for you. With rocket fishing rod, you can make your fishing experience much smoother and happier. If you are into fishing, then you definitely know how tedious and time-taking it is. But just look at this new item that makes your fishing experience much cooler. Now you can just blast to cast, shoot like a gun and catch real fish. With rocket fishing rod, even your kids can catch variety of fishes. Buy this cool product from the link given in the video description. Now let's move on to the next gadget, and the next one is GameSir Gamepad G5. With the smartphones becoming common, gaming has become more accessible and fun. Now with our smartphones, we can easily play some high-end games on our devices, but the gamepad makes it even better. GameSir Gamepad G5 has 33 function buttons, 8 finger operations and G-Touch technology. It is a futuristic gamepad including touchpad and joystick both together. It also has built-in battle dock function. It has 800 mAh built-in battery which can serve for approx 10 hours. This can work on both Android and iOS platforms. You can get this gamepad from the link provided in the description. You can also click the I button popping up there to watch the detailed review of another budget gamepad named Red Gear Gamepad. Are you looking for an easy way to keep your earphones tangle free? You have come to the right place. Cable Yo-Yo is an earbud cable organizer that coils and secures your earbuds so they are ready when you want to listen your favorite song, pick up a phone call or watch a quick video. Cable Yo-Yo takes all that cable slack from your earbuds and keep it neatly wrapped for tangle-free earbuds in a convenient and pocket-friendly tool. The greatest thing about this earbud accessory is the magnet in the middle. This magnetizes your earphones to keep them from twisting and tangling, and keep it neatly wrapped for tangle-free earbuds in a convenient and pocket-friendly tool. When you are ready to use your earbuds, just place your finger in the middle of the yo-yo and pull. You can buy it from the link given in the video description. Let's move to the next item, and it is running tire thread. This is a gadget that can help us in a serious problem like a flat tire. It surely serves the purpose when you don't have a spare wheel or the spare wheel has no air. You can use it and go to the nearest garage and get your tire fixed. It is very easy and convenient to use. If you wanna buy this useful product, then the best buy link is given in the video description. And the final product on our list is Black Panther Power Claw. Let's just accept it. The kids just love superheroes, and this is the best thing you can give to your children. The Black Panther Power Claw is a cool toy. It has bright lights and makes a sound while doing such gestures. Isn't it cool? Best buy link for this toy is given in the video description. So that's all for today guys. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button to join our channel for free. Share this video with your friends and see you in the next video.